What is the actual role of industrial engineer? What they have to do as an industrial engineer? Industrial engineer has to determine the most effective way, use basic factors of production. What are the factors of production? Any production requires machinery, people, material, information, energy to make it use effective way and provide a service to customer to get quality products, fast delivery of product. This is the role of industrial engineer. But actual what? They maybe work as advisor, consultant, available to other for interpretation of data. Means what? Data science. Develop as a data science. Motivator. Provide stimulus and skill availability to a group or individual by motivating. After he also do the work as a decision making. The actual when you join as a industrial engineer, you must have this type of skills. You must able to do the decision making. You are able to select preference from among many alternatives in front of you for topic of concern. What target you have? According to different opportunity alternatives, you have to select the final one. You are the planner. Produce the solution specification. What are the available resources? You must able to do this planning. You are the expert. Work as the expert. Provide high knowledge, skill, experience on the specific topic. You are decided to work in that field. You must be. If you work as an innovator, inventor, to seek produce creative or advanced technology solution. You are able to measure whatever the data obtained, what are the facts about the existing condition. You are must able to measure. This is the role of industrial engineer in industry. So what is the use of this one? To make it the effective way to increase the product. Project controller. You work as a operator, supervise, evaluate. Also you have to work as a trainer, organize, conducting training sessions. You can do this as also role. You can work as an analyst, separate whole into parts and examine them, explore the facts. What is going on there in industry when any production floor or small industry, small scale industry, medium scale industry, you have to find out the fact. You must be able to work as an analyst. Nowadays, the business analyst post is there. It is similar to that one. That is also scope as an industrial engineer. In which industry? I means industrial engineer work in these types of industries. What are those? Aerospace, aeroplane, manufacturing industry, aluminum and steel industry, banking sector also required very more number of this industrial engineer, ceramics, construction, consulting, electronics assembly, energy sector, entertainment also, forestry, logging, insurance, material testing, medical services, military, mining, oil and gas, plastics and farming, retail, retail, Amazon. Okay, nowadays, big basket, various industries are there. Shipbuilding, state and federal government, or transportation. Transportation logistic is a very big industry nowadays. During this pandemic, lockdown situation, it is very crucial use of this transportation. Okay, so these are the work come under this industrial engineer. These industries you can do the work. Some of the techniques utilized by the industrial engineer. What are those techniques? That means you must have to develop yourself in that field. Just like you must have the skills related to these points. What are those points? Like organizational analysis, you must be business analysis, time studies, work sampling, lean manufacturing. This is also Six Sigma projects. Plant and equipment layout, you must able to do. These are the skills: project management, equipment utilization, flow diagramming, simulation, employee involvement, pilot projects of programs, statistical analysis, strategic planning, modeling, testing, operation auditing, interviewing for information. Okay. Also, this is the main benchmarking. You must able to do the benchmarking of your industry with other industry. Design of experiments, DOE, information of data flow, diagramming, and theory of constraints. These are the techniques, these are used by the industrial engineers in industry to enhance the productivity. The new challenges in industrial engineering. From this to local, okay. So this is from and this is the to. The local or national focus, but nowadays the challenge is what? You must able to do the global focus, not only the local and national. This is also important. The industry will grow. Similarly, they must have the focus on the globally. The batch shipments, low bid purchasing, lengthy product development, standard products, job specialization. These are the challenges, and now just in time, SCM, rapid product development, alliances, mass customization, empowered employees and teams. That will be reduce these challenges by using these industrial engineers. Okay. So already you have selected this subject, but this is the reasons to study industrial engineering. Till whatever we have studied, it is shown in this. This is the industrial engineering concept. It is implemented nowadays. This big data analytics, industry 4.0 or industry IoT, customize industrial engineer to match your interest, combine technical skills with business acumen to increase the productivity and method of improvement. Industrial engineer work in every sector. Similarly, how this field you can work as a work measurement. This is the one field. Under this you can make your career. Total career you can do it in work management or smart manufacturing, different technologies like most MPM, TPM, retail, healthcare, pharmaceutical industry, or JIT, okay, ERP, Six Sigma, or smart inventor for ERP. You can develop the ERP also. You can work in land balancing, the supply chain management. You can do work as a predictive analyst, or data scientists or business analytics, forecasting. You can do work in forecasting, or you can do in the OR, operation research. These are these fields, various fields. These are the, you can make your career. Every wide circle, the career, you can create your career. You have to decide in which field I have to do, and expertise and gain the skills related to that field. You will get definitely job. You must able to get the recent technology to increase the beneficial to industry, so that the industry will definitely give you job.